Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to list a coin right here on Coinmarketcap. So if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do right here is we click right here on cryptocurrencies, and then you will find right here a list of all the cryptocurrencies. Then what we're going to do right now is we scroll down, and then right here at support, you see right here get listed or request form. And now we select right here request form. Then what we're going to do right here is please select the correct form and submit well structured, actionable and complete information. So we select this one and then we do add crypto assets. Then right now we need to fill in right here our email address. And then right here, please refer to this format, use an example, so the full name, select right here the terms and conditions, fill in right here your relationship with project launch date, project name, project tickers like symbols, then the crypto asset tags, then the one-liner description, and then right here, you will find here a lot of information that you also need to fill in. So it's a lot, I know, but if you want to get listed, please do this. So fill in everything correctly, everything right here, scroll down. Then right here, you need to upload a proof supporting evidence documents and then click right here on submit. But I know guys, it's a lot of information that you need to fill in, but this is the place how you can list a coin right here on Coinmarketcap. So you need to do it from here. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.